Threads that whisper, fingers that remember. This is the world of bobbin lace where patience weaves beauty, one twist at a time. Born in the courts of Europe and nurtured by countless hands, bobbin lace came to India through colonial ports and coastal trade. But here, it found new rhythm merging tradition with touch and thread with soul. On a simple pillow rests a map of pins and patterns. Wooden bobbins dance, crossing, twisting, looping, until geometry becomes poetry. Each lace tells a story of women who wove their time into art, of patterns passed down through memory, not manuals. A craft so delicate, it carries silence as part of its design. Today, as machine-made lace floods the market, the handmade holds its quiet defiance, each thread a mark of identity, resilience, and grace. Because bobbin lace is more than ornament. It is rhythm, repetition, and remembrance, a fragile art that teaches strength through stillness.